Samsung unveils prices for Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4 in India. Samsung to unveil the prices for the new Galaxy Z foldables for the Indian market, and here they are. Fans can now pre-book a Z Flip 4 or Z Fold 4 and score some gifts and discounts. This is a special Samsung Live promo event that starts today and ends tomorrow at midnight. First, the prices. The table below has the breakdown by storage capacity. A couple of things to note about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, the customizable bespoke edition is available from Samsung Live and Samsung exclusive stores, and only in 256GB trim, the 512GB version is not available in the country. As for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, the top 1TB model is available, but only through Samsung Live and Samsung exclusive stores. Instagram, Facebook are stalking you on websites accessed through their apps. Social media platforms have had some bad press in recent times, largely prompted by the vast extent of their data collection. Now Meta, the parent company of Facebook and Instagram, has upped the ante. Meta has a custom in-app browser that operates on Facebook, Instagram and any website you might click through to from both these apps. Now ex-Google engineer and privacy researcher Felix Krauser has discovered this proprietary browser has additional program code inserted into it. Krauser developed a tool that found Instagram and Facebook added up to 18 lines of code to websites visited through Meta's in-app browsers. This code injection enables user tracking and overrides tracking restrictions that browsers such as Chrome and Safari have in place. It allows Meta to collect sensitive user information, including every button and link tap, text selections, screenshots, as well as any form inputs, like passwords, addresses and credit card numbers. Realme 9i 5G confirmed to come with a 90Hz screen and 5000 mAh battery. Realme will unveil the Realme 9i 5G on the 18th of August, which it already confirmed will be powered by the Dimensity 810 SoC. Now the company has revealed that the 9i 5G will sport a notch display having a 90Hz screen refresh rate and a 180Hz touch sampling rate. Moreover, Realme confirmed that the 9i 5G will pack a 5000 mAh battery, which will be charged through a USB-C port. Realme hasn't detailed the 9i 5G spec sheet yet, but it recently claimed the smartphone will come with a 6.6 Full HD and LCD, 8MP selfie camera, and a 50MP primary camera, joined by 2MP macro and depth units. The smartphone will boot Android 12-based Realme UI 3.0, support 18W charging, and have two memory configurations, 4GB/64GB and 6GB/128GB. Realme has shown us the 9i 5G in two colors, but it's unclear if there will be more color options.